number 1, just like this. Draw a line, it's full of bliss. Write number 2, nice and round. Curve at top, down to ground. Write number 3 like 2 hills high. One on top, one nearby. Write number 4, straight and neat. Make a cross, then a line complete. Write number 5, start from top. Curve and line, don't you stop. Write number 6, round like a loop. Circle at bottom in one swoop. 7 in verse 7. Write number 7, straight then slide. Across the line, enjoy the ride. Write number 8 like 2 small balls. Stack them up, now that's all. Write number 9, a circle and line. Start at top, finish fine. Write number 1, then number 0. Great job, kids, now you know.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.